So how do you switch devices on a FaceTime? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you might be like calling someone over FaceTime and you want to switch it from like one device to another, like from iPhone to iPad and so on. But that is how it works. At first, make sure that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And that is important because without it, like if you do it through the cellular data, it's simply not going to work. So that is the first condition. The second one is by going to the settings and clicking the AirPlay and continuity part of the general section. Make sure you have the handoff enabled on both devices. Of course, it has to be turned on. The toggle is green, and that is basically all that you need to know about it, or the first like steps to take before you can start using it. And then it's pretty simple. You can start like the FaceTime video call on one device, right? You just call the other person, and then when you introduce the other phone or other iPad, you're gonna see that when you put it together, next to the like dynamic island or at the top, you're gonna see this button. So you can click on it and you'll have the option to click on a switch, and you'll be able to switch to that device, meaning that the other person doesn't really notice anything different. Like you're still on the same call, but you're not using that device, you're switching to another, right? So it might be, as I said, switching to Mac, to iPad, to a different iPhone, whatever. As long as your devices are on the same Apple ID, on the same network, and using handoff, it's gonna work. So let me know in the comments below if you manage to set it up, if it works for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.